I think there is something in the water.
Stay back, Jess. I don't like this.
The taxi is here.
Yes, I am a little tired,
Let's go to the hotel.
but I am very excited.
We can relax soon.
I want to see the hotel.
I can see the city. It looks very beautiful. There are many palm trees. Yes, everything looks new. I like this place already. It is very interesting.
How long does it take to the hotel? It will take about 20 minutes. We just arrived from the airport. The traffic is good today. We are here. This hotel looks very nice. I like the design.
Yes, it looks beautiful. I like the palm trees. This is a great place. What is your name?
My name is Mike.
How many nights will you stay?
We will stay for 3 nights.
Your room is ready.
That is great.
Here is your key.
Thank you.
We are going to our room.
Yes.
I am excited. Me too.
Our room is here.
I see the number.
Let's open the door.
Yes, let's go in.
This room looks great.
Yes, it is beautiful.
I like the space.
It feels comfortable.
I love this room. Me too. It is very nice. This is amazing.
I will put the clothes away.
That is a good idea.
I want everything organized.
Yes, that is better.
Let's change clothes.
Yes,
We are going to the beach.
that is a good idea.
I want to wear this. That looks nice. It is perfect for the beach. I will wear this shirt.
Everyone is ready?
Yes,
Let's go to the beach.
I am excited.
The weather is very nice.
Yes,
It is perfect for the beach.
I agree.
I like this place.
Yes.
It is very sunny.
It feels good.
This beach is beautiful.
Yes,
I like the view.
it is amazing. The sand is soft.
Yes.
I like walking here. It feels good.
They are very happy.
Yes,
This is a good moment.
I love this.
Water is cold,
Yes.
but I like it.
It is fun.
Run with me. Okay. This is amazing. This is the best. This is so fun. Yes. I like the water. Me too. Look, Ben, a sandcastle.
Yes. Let's build a big sandcastle.
The sand is soft.
I use the bucket.
It is big. I like it. Oh, what is this? A shell. A small shell. It is beautiful. Look, another one. And look, I have shells.
Wow, so many shells.
This one is small. This one is big.
They are beautiful.
Yes, beautiful shells. Look, small shells.
Oh, beautiful shells. Let's put them here. Yes, the castle is pretty.
A pretty sand castle.
It looks like a shark. A shark?
I am scared.
Come on, Jess, let's go back. Run, Jess, run!
I am running. I'm tired.
Don't stop, Jess.
It is coming! Ben, get up! Get up now!
I'm trying, I'm stuck.
I cannot move! Get up, Ben! Hurry! I'm trying, it's too slippery. You can do it! Hey, kids! That is my toy shark!
It is just a toy?
Oh, Ben, I can't believe.
I was so scared!
Me too. That was funny.
Yes, very funny.
Hello? Hello? What would you like? 2 ice creams, please. Coming right up.
This is so good! Yes! I love ice cream!
It is time to eat.
Yes, I am hungry.
Let's go to the restaurant.
Come, kids. The restaurant is there.
Yes, I see it.
Let's walk.
Slowly, the sand is hot.
Okay, slowly.
This table is nice.
Yes.
I like this table. We can sit here.
Let's sit.
Mom, Dad, we are here!
Come sit down.
Are you hungry?
Yes, very, very hungry.
Hello. We want 1 burger and fries.
2 juices, please.
Okay, thank you.
I am excited. Where's the food? I'm in there.
It is coming.
Be patient.
I want my burger.
Here is your food.
Oh, thank you. My burger, my fries.
It looks good.
Yes, very good.
Ew, they're kissing. I saw.
Caught us. How about some fries?
These fries are yummy. I want some.
This is a great moment.
Yes,
I am very happy.
me too.
Let's go back.
Yes,
We can rest.
good idea.
We are back at the hotel.
Yes, back from the beach. I am tired.
Me too.
Oh, the pool. I see the pool.
Mom, can we go to the pool? Please, pool time. The pool?
After the beach?
Yes, please, just a little. Please. Okay, just a little.
Yes, a short time.
The pool looks great.
Yes.
I want to swim.
Me too.
This is fun. Yes. I love swimming. Me too.
It is getting late.
Yes.
Let's get ready for dinner.
Okay.
Jess, it is time to go.
Already?
Yes, it is getting late.
Okay. Come on, sweetie. Kids, quick shower. Or dinner will be late. Let's take a quick shower too.
Yes, fast shower.
Okay.
Let's change clothes
Yes,
for dinner.
good idea.
I like this dress.
It looks nice.
I am ready.
Me too.
Let's go eat.
Yes.
I am hungry.
Me too.
This place looks nice.
Yes.
I like the lights.
It is beautiful.
I am hungry. Me too. I want dinner.
Yes.
Hello. Hello. What would you like? I would like dinner for us and my kids. Very good, sir.
This food is good.
Yes, very good.
I like it.
It is delicious.
Here is the bill. Thank you. Have a nice night. Thank you.
Jess and Ben, it is time to go now.
Already?
Yes, we need to go back to the hotel.
Okay, Dad, I understand.
The city is beautiful.
Yes.
I like the lights.
It looks amazing.
We are finally back at the hotel,
Yes, it was a long day.
but it was a very good day.
I really enjoyed everything today. We are back. Time to sleep. Jess, Ben, go put on your pajamas.
I am sleepy.
Let's organize the bags.
Yes.
We need everything ready for tomorrow.
I like my pajamas. Me too. They are very comfortable.
I feel relaxed now.
Today was a very good day.
Yes,
We did many things.
and tomorrow will be even better. Let's get ready for bed.
Yes,
We need to change clothes.
I will get my pajamas.
Don't forget to brush your teeth.
Okay.
Do it slowly.
Yes, I will. Okay, Mom.
Good night, kids.
Sleep well.
Tomorrow will be a big day.
We go to the park.
Good night, honey.
Good night.
Did you like this episode? Tell us in the comments. Where are you watching from? Write your country. Don't forget to subscribe and click like. See you next time. Bye.